Have you ever wondered what secrets lie hidden in the forgotten corners of our world? Places where the veil between reality and the unknown seems thin, where logic bends and whispers of the unexplained echo through time? Prepare to embark on a journey to the most enigmatic locations on Earth. These are places that have sparked legends, defied science, and left even the most rational minds questioning what they know. I will be your guide, and together we'll explore the top 10 most mysterious places on Earth where the truth may forever be out of reach. Our journey begins in the infamous Bermuda Triangle, a vast expanse of ocean between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. This region has become legendary for its eerie reputation, a place where ships and aircraft vanish seemingly into thin air. Over 1,000 ships and planes are said to have disappeared here under mysterious circumstances. Some incidents occurred in perfect weather, with experienced crews and no distress calls. One of the most famous cases is Flight 19, a squadron of 5 U.S. Navy bombers that vanished in 1945, followed by a rescue plane that also disappeared. Theories range from magnetic anomalies and methane gas eruptions to portals, time warps, and even alien abduction. Despite scientific attempts to explain the phenomena, no single theory fully accounts for the triangle's chilling legacy. Next, we head to the Nazca Desert in Peru, where hundreds of enormous geoglyphs stretch across nearly 200 square miles. These are the Nazca Lines, vast designs etched into the earth, some depicting animals like monkeys and hummingbirds, others forming spirals, trapezoids, and straight lines running for miles. The Nazca people created these lines over 2,000 years ago, but how and why remains unclear. Some researchers believe they had astronomical or religious significance. Others propose they were ritual pathways or even messages to the gods. Strangely, the lines are best appreciated from the sky, raising the question, how did an ancient civilization with no known flight capability create something that could only be fully seen from above? Now, we stand before the awe-inspiring Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt, the only surviving wonder of the ancient world. Constructed around 4,500 years ago, this monumental structure is built from over 2 million limestone blocks, each weighing several tons. What makes this pyramid so mysterious isn't just its scale, it's the mathematical precision. The pyramid aligns almost perfectly with the cardinal points and incorporates proportions that mirror the Earth's geography and even pi. Inside, narrow shafts point to stars, and a mysterious void discovered in 2017 adds to the intrigue. Despite centuries of study, no one knows exactly how it was built, or what secrets it still holds. Was it a tomb, a power plant, or something else entirely? Theories abound, but certainty remains elusive. Across the English countryside lies Stonehenge, a ring of standing stones dating back over 5,000 years. Each stone weighs up to 25 tons and was transported from as far as 150 miles away without the wheel. The structure is astronomically aligned, particularly with the summer and winter solstices, suggesting a deep understanding of celestial events. But why build it? Was it a calendar, a healing site, or a place of sacrifice? Despite numerous excavations and studies, we still don't know who built Stonehenge or why, only that it continues to guard its secrets. In Chestnut Ridge Park, New York, water flows gently over a rocky cascade. But beneath it, a small flame flickers, seemingly defying nature. This is the Eternal Flame Falls. A natural gas pocket beneath the falls fuels the flame. But what makes it mysterious is the composition of the rock. According to geologists, the shale isn't hot enough to produce gas at the rate needed, suggesting either an unknown geological process or a deeper pocket scientists haven't yet discovered. Visitors report the flame occasionally goes out, only to be mysteriously reignited. Floating in the canals of Xochimilco, Mexico, lies a place that could haunt your dreams. The Island of the Dolls. The story begins with Don Julian Santana Barrera, the island's caretaker, who claimed to have discovered the body of a drowned girl, and later hung dolls around the island to appease her spirit. Over the years, hundreds of dolls were added, their limbs decaying and eyes staring blankly, giving the island an eerie atmosphere. Don Julian later died under mysterious circumstances. reportedly in the same spot where the girl drowned. Locals and visitors alike speak of dolls whispering, blinking, or moving. Is it imagination or something supernatural? Off the southern coast of Australia lies Lake Hillier, a lake so vividly pink it looks unreal. Even when bottled, the water remains pink, a mystery that has puzzled scientists for years. The color is thought to come from a microalgae called Dunaliella salina, which produces red pigments in salty environments. But the hue's intensity and permanence still leave room for speculation. No known bacteria or algae alone account for the full spectrum of its color, and the ecosystem seems unaffected. Fish and animals around it live normally. Is it a natural fluke or a coded message from the Earth itself? In the Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan, a blazing pit burns continuously and has been for over 50 years. Known as the Door to Hell, this fiery crater was the result of a Soviet drilling mishap in 1971. When the ground collapsed into an underground cavern, geologists lit the gas to prevent the spread of methane, expecting it to burn out in a few weeks. Decades later, it still rages on. Tourists and locals claim the area feels otherworldly, like standing at the gates of something ancient and powerful. What fuels it for so long, and could it ever stop? Straddling Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, Mount Roraima rises like a lost world from the jungle. Its sheer cliffs and flat summit make it almost inaccessible, a natural fortress in the clouds. This Tepui tabletop mountain inspired Arthur Conan Doyle's The Lost World, and it's easy to see why. The mountaintop supports species found nowhere else on Earth, including rare frogs and carnivorous plants. Mist often shrouds its summit, and ancient myths describe it as the stump of the world tree, where the heavens and earth once met. Scientists still study its isolated ecosystem, wondering what secrets may lie deep in its untouched crevices. Our final stop takes us to Judge C.R. Magny State Park in Minnesota, where the Brule River splits in two. One side continues downstream, but the other plunges into a deep hole called the Devil's Kettle and vanishes. For years, researchers dropped dyes, ping pong balls, and even GPS trackers into the kettle, but none ever resurfaced, fueling legends of underground caverns, time portals, or even bottomless pits. Recent studies suggest the water may rejoin the river underground, but the lack of direct proof still leaves room for wonder. From the depths of the ocean to the heights of mountains, we've explored 10 of the most mysterious places on Earth. The Bermuda Triangle, the Nazca Lines, the Great Pyramid, Stonehenge, Eternal Flame Falls, Island of the Dolls, Lake Hillier, Door to Hell, Mount Roraima, and the Devil's Kettle. Each location holds secrets that continue to baffle and intrigue us. Which of these mysterious places intrigues you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more explorations into the unknown. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and never lose your sense of wonder. The world is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered.